Welcome back. Joint accounts may seem like a good idea, but they come with some complications. So let's bring in our legal expert, Danielle. She's here to break it all down for us. Thank you so much for being here, Danielle.
Thanks for having me, Lauren.
Okay, so when we talk about joint accounts, what exactly are we referring to?
Any account that has more than one person's name on it.
Okay.
So it can be a bank account, it can be a brokerage account, but there are different types of joint accounts, and the most common one is so either individual can control everything in the account. But then there's another type that requires both joint owners to sign off on something to access the money.
Okay, so what are some of the complications surrounding joint accounts?
There's so many complications, and a lot of people don't realize it because they think it's so great. They're going to avoid probate court. It's so convenient. But actually, one of the issues is that creditors can come after the money. So if mom and dad add their son John to their bank account with them, and he has creditors, his creditors can try and attach their assets.
Okay.
In addition to that, you lose control because a joint owner can wipe you out at any point in time. So if you're adding someone's name to the account, they can go in, they can wipe it out. And if it's the type of account that requires two signatures on it, then in that case, they can literally hold you hostage.
Okay.
And we've had that happen a lot, both of those examples in our office, where there was a great aunt who added someone's name to her assets to try and help her out. She was getting older. And then when she actually needed the money for a long-term care facility, they refused to give it to her.
So when that happens, how do you remedy that, or can you?
You have to go through the court system. It's not easy. And so that's something I always caution people about. Joint accounts can be great, but be careful who you're adding and why you're adding them.
So have a conversation. Okay, so that's the complications. What are the benefits?
The benefits are you avoid probate court.
Okay.
So normally on a joint account, when one individual passes away, it goes on to the other and there's no probate, which is amazing. And then it makes it really easy. So if mom and dad are getting older in age and they want to add one of their kids' names to the assets with them, it makes it more convenient to pay bills and handle finances.
Okay, so the biggest thing here is have that conversation. What do you recommend for your clients?
Well, it really depends on who they're adding and why they're adding them. We didn't even get into all the other dangers associated with it, like taxes and some issues with long-term planning. But I always say, you know, meet with your attorney, meet with your financial advisor. There may be better alternatives out there, like using a trust or using payable on death or transfer on death beneficiary designations. So don't think that joint accounts are the only way to be able to get some of those advantages.
Okay, and if somebody wants to get in touch with you, how can they do so?
They can reach me at my law firm at brmmlaw.com.
All right, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you, Lauren. Appreciate it.